Hello, this is Running Robert, and today we're going to be talking about the Skye Bioscience SKYE. Data coming this year summary. Today is the 23rd of June, 2025. The company released quarterly results a little bit ago, but pretty much in that results is that, hey, data is coming, and that is going to be good. So we're definitely going to look at the bullish and the bearish parts of this company. And I generally follow small cap pharma. I do games. I do a little bit of everything. So if you like what I'm doing, hey, please like and subscribe. It helps a lot, and thank you. Disclaimer is I bought shares after my last video on the 21st of April for a little under $2, so very happy with that. I'm an amateur investor, and any advice given should be followed up by your own due diligence, and any information given is valid for today, the 23rd of June, and the slideshow will not be updated. But as we get new news, new slideshow. So let's go into the investment thesis first. A weight loss drug that is not a GLP-1. Right now, GLP-1s are the predominant weight loss drug that are being sold. This is a CB1 receptor inhibitor. Now, we're going to look at the past results for this here. So CB1s have caused some neuropsychiatric side effects in the past. And that we're going to talk about really the Novo drug in this. But based on the phase 1 data, this drug did not seem to have those same side effects. So we're going to have to see as it moves forward if the phase 2, again, stays without side effects, and if there are side effects, what they are. The Novo drug did show modest weight loss, so that was successful. The drug was bought by Novo for $1.1 billion in cash in 2023, so that itself should just kind of perk you up a little bit. The phase 2A, it quickly filled up, now expecting data late quarter 3, early quarter 4. And the company has enough cash beyond the phase 2A trial. We'll talk about that next slide, but not enough for the phase 2B or phase 3. So the company itself, single drug pump leg, one drug, that's all we have. Company is about $60 million at the end of the first quarter, no major debts. Your expenses for the first quarter were 7.2 for R&D, admin was 4.5, so 11.7. So you're at, very easily looking at 5-6 quarters before they need to worry about money. So we're getting into 2026 for sure. The company has also stated they're looking for a partner, and a large partner would help them out a lot more. So that was stated. So CB1s versus GLP-1s. Okay, so we know the big GLP-1s, they work. However, they have terrible side effects, as in 30% of the patients drop out after 4 weeks. That is a very good chunk of people who want to lose weight, but cannot lose weight on this drug because of the side effects. Now again, based on the safety data, this CB1 did not have any meaningful side effects. Again, phase 1s are small, so we're going to have to see as the trials get larger if anything does creep up, and then we're just going to have to kind of take it from there. CB1s can be taken as a combo or a monotherapy, so you can take them with GLP-1s if you want, or you can take them by themselves. There are currently 3 other CB1s in testing. 2 are in phase 1, and the other one is a phase 2B study. So what can we expect? Okay, so you buy the stock, you wait till the end of the year, or the end of the third quarter, beginning of fourth. If we have good, great results, so there is a lot of weight loss. The weight loss is very comparable to the GLP-1s on the market with no major side effects. We're in the stars. We'll find an easy partner because at that point, everyone would fight to get onto us. So I would assume that the stock price would go well above $30 in this case. Now, let's temper that a little bit. Moderate results with no major side effects would likely find a partner, but it might not be as strong. And I suspect, depending on how moderate the side effects, how moderate the results are, that you're probably going to be between $10 and $30 for your stock price. So, again, it's going to be what company offers them a deal, a lot of stuff like that. So, we find if we get poor results with no major side effects, they might still find some value in it, because anything that can make you lose weight without a lot of side effects might be something that is someone might take as a combo therapy. It just might be something you do. But that would include finding a partner or the right deal, and that might be rough. So at that point, I'm going to say between 1 and 10, because obviously I have no idea how, if they're poor, then you're probably closer to 1. If they're, acceptable, but not quite moderate, you're probably closer to, 5 to 10. And of course, any major side effects, we're down to 0. That's pretty simple. So this is definitely a high risk, high reward kind of stock. I definitely hope you like gambling on this. Expect to either make a lot of money or lose it all. Currently, they have a $67 million market cap, And of course, when we're compared to a drug that was sold for 1.1 billion, that brings the price above $30 per share. So that's really where I'm getting my thoughts on there. Now, I do expect to see moderate results compared to the other, based on the other CB1s. I expect the results to be okay, not great, not poor. So I think between 10 and 30 is a good target, and buying at 2, I mean, that's, even if we hit 10, that's 5 times the money. You can't argue with that. That is definitely the kind of bet that you want to make. So hopefully this gave you some good information. Thank you very much for watching and listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.